I got the new Hourglass Jellyfish palette. This is my first Hourglass palette. I have one of the translucent powders that came in one of the Sephora sets, and I love it. So I ordered more of that, and then I ordered this. And I actually got this for free. Thank you, Sephora. How did I get it for free? Because I traded in 2,500 Sephora points for a $100 gift card. And this is 90. So I got this, and I got something else. Here we go. Oh, those are big. I didn't know how big these were gonna be, but those are nice sizes. Yay. And I've never had one of the palettes before, so we're gonna see how it goes. On the back, it shows what everything is. Finishing powder, there's 2 of them, 1 and 6. So these are the finishing powders, which is not setting powders. Apparently it's finishing powders. Those are the 2 blushes. This is the strobe, which is the highlight, and this is the bronzer. I'm gonna start with bronzer. Bronzer again. And I usually bring the blush up some. We're gonna do the 2 finishing powders because I don't know which one to go with. The strobe, which is the highlighter. Loving this so far. I'm gonna go with the lighter blush for right there. Blend, blend, blend. There we go.